time to give credits to yourself. As you can see here, there's also a meta tag in HTML where you can define author details. No worries, this page will be linked below so you can further explore all of this on your own. This is not an important SEO meta tag for your client's project, but I am thinking that you would like to leave some breadcrumbs that lead back to you in any project you develop. But how can we easily add the author details to all of the pages inside of the application in one go? Easy! We use the layout.js file like we do when we want to set the footer to all of the pages, but just by using the component inside one single file. Let's do this right now. Firstly, I need to open my layout.js file. Still inside the metadata object, right below the description, I'm gonna add the authors. And notice that I'm using authors and not author, so it's plural. Inside the object, I'm gonna have two properties. The first one is going to be name, and this is a string that says something like the JavaScript way, modern web development tutorials. And of course you need to adapt this to your own needs, okay? Below I'm going to use the URL, and this is important because if you are a developer, a freelancer, whatever, and you have your own custom website, you can link your website here. So I'm going to be passing my channel name as an example. And this is it. This is this simple. Now, in every single page of this application, regardless of being a dynamic page or a static page, if you check the source code, you will be able to find this information. This simple. This is great when there's only one author, but what happens when there are multiple authors, like two or even more? Instead of using an object, you use an array, and that array can contain multiple objects inside. So you update this to use one array. Inside the array, then you have an object. And inside the object, you can then use the name property, set it to author1 maybe, and the URL can be maybe https mywebsite.com, and this is for the first author. If you want another one, all you have to do is to duplicate this one, add author number 2, and add the details for that author. And the same goes if you have 3 or more, of course.